let's crack the F-35's ghost code. Stealth, speed, supremacy. The F-35 Lightning II isn't just a fighter jet, it's a flying supercomputer, with 3 variants for any battlefield. A. Conventional takeoff. B. Hover like a helicopter. C. Catapult ready for carriers. 1 jet, infinite flexibility. Heart, a Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, with 43,000 pounds thrust. Radar absorbent material and angular design, 6 infrared cameras, sees everywhere, day or night, total battlefield awareness, the brain, sensor fusion, electro-optical targeting, radar jamming, and data fusion from ships/satellites. Pilots see threats through the airframe. Like augmented reality, but lethal. The F-35, not just evolution, revolution in the sky. Forget magic. This is science. How does the F-35 vanish from radar? Let's break down its stealth secrets. Stealth isn't invisible. It's physics warfare. Shape is everything. Sharp angles deflect radar waves away. No flat panels. No right angles. It's a radar sliding masterpiece. It's radar absorbent material, RAM. Think of it like a sponge, but for enemy. Radar energy. It soaks it up, not bouncing it back. Radar cross-section, smaller than a baseball. 360 degrees sensors map threats. Jams signals before you detect it. Shares data with allies. Silently, hidden weapons. Bombs and missiles, tucked away inside the fuselage. No external racks equals no big radar bullseyes. The engine trap. See those jagged, curved inlets? They hide the massive engine face. No direct line of sight, smooth sensors. Even its eyes, cameras and targeting systems, are flushed into the skin, not sticking out. Every bump eliminated. It's not just one trick. It's the fusion of shape, skin, weapon hides, inlet design, and sensor integration. That's how the F-35 becomes a ghost. Stealth isn't magic. It's engineering genius. The F-35, designed to dominate. In the skies above every major ocean and continent, a single fighter jet is rewriting the rules of air combat. Not through raw speed or brute force, but through something far more powerful. Information. This is the F-35 Lightning II. A stealth fighter, a flying supercomputer, this 5th-generation fighter has reshaped modern warfare and is the backbone of air power for 17 nations and counting, with 3 variants, designed from the start to see everything, share everything, and strike unseen. But how did one aircraft achieve such unprecedented dominance? In war games, it penetrates enemy defenses untouched, striking before adversaries know it's there. Stealth isn't magic, it's physics. The F-35's shape scatters radar waves, turning it into a ghost at crucial moments. The F-35's dominance starts with its nervous system. Imagine having 360-degree vision in pitch black, seeing through your own floor, spotting missiles hundreds of miles away, and identifying ground targets in detail, all at once. That's the F-35's Distributed Aperture System, DAS, and Electro-Optical Targeting System, EOTS. Combine this awareness with its stealth. Shaped like a predator and coated in secret materials, the F-35 slips past enemy radar, becoming invisible until it's too late. It doesn't just avoid threats, it denies the enemy the battle itself. Versatility is its superpower. The F-35A lands on runways. B hovers like a helicopter for marine assaults. The F-35C dominates carrier decks. This trifecta means 17 nations, from the US to Israel, the UK to Japan, field the same unbeatable core, tailored to their needs. One F-35 isn't the point. It's the network. Every Lightning II is a node in a vast digital battlefield. What one jet sees, everyone sees: fighters, bombers, ships, command centers. An F-35 can quietly designate targets for a submarine or guide a volley of missiles fired from over the horizon. 900 F-35s operational worldwide, outnumbering any rival. Modern wars are fought in bytes as much as bullets. The F-35 acts as a quarterback, sharing data with ships, drones, and ground troops. Its AI predicts failures before they happen, and future upgrades will control drone wingmen. It's not just a jet, it's the hub of a digital war machine. It's the ultimate force multiplier. F-35s make every allied asset around them exponentially more effective. They glue the fight together. Scale cements dominance. Over 1,000 jets delivered. Shared manufacturing across allies drives costs down and interoperability up. Training, tactics, and upgrades evolve together. This massive user base creates an ecosystem no competitor can match. The F-35 is built to evolve. Its open software architecture means new weapons, sensors, and AI capabilities are plugged in like smartphone apps. Future upgrades include laser weapons, hypersonic missiles, and commanding drone swarms. Block 4 software unlocks new levels of lethality and connectivity. This jet will fight effectively for 50 years because its core architecture is designed for the unknown. It's not just the best fighter today, it's the platform defining air combat for decades to come. From stealth to sensors, versatility to vision, the F-35 isn't just the future of air combat. It is the present. As threats evolve, so does the Lightning II. And for now, the sky belongs to it. The F-35 Lightning II dominates not because it's the fastest or carries the most bombs, but because it sees first, understands best, connects everyone, and remains unseen. It transforms information into decisive advantage. More than a fighter jet, it's the digital heart of modern air power, a dominance forged in silicon, stealth, and global cooperation, securing the skies for a generation. Its only disadvantage is the cost. Despite reductions, it remains the world's most expensive fighter program ever. Unit costs, around $80 to $100 million depending on variant, are significantly higher.